Understanding the nuance. Throw a side eye. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language: throw a side eye. Often seen in casual conversations, this phrase can add a layer of subtlety and emotion to your communication. Let's decode its meaning, usage, and delve into some examples to ensure you can use it confidently in your everyday conversations. Throw a side eye is a phrase used to describe a look of disapproval, skepticism, or distrust without using words. It involves glancing sideways at someone or something with a critical or judgmental attitude. It's not just about the look. It's about the message it conveys without saying anything aloud. This phrase is often used to express a silent judgment or to show that you're not entirely pleased or convinced by what's happening or what someone is saying. The phrase, throw a side eye, comes from the literal act of looking at someone or something with a sideward glance. It's a nonverbal cue that has been used for generations but has gained more prominence in modern language, especially with the rise of social media and meme culture. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you navigate social situations more effectively and express yourself more precisely. To grasp the nuance of throw a side eye, let's look at some examples. 1. In disapproval. When someone makes a questionable joke at the dinner table, and you look at your friend beside you without saying a word. That's throwing a side eye. 2. In skepticism. If someone boasts about an unbelievable achievement, and you glance at them doubtfully, you're essentially throwing a side eye, signaling your skepticism. 3. In social media. You might comment, throwing a side eye at the claim that this is the best burger in town, to express your doubt or to challenge a popular opinion playfully. In today's digital age, the concept of throwing a side eye has transcended verbal communication. It's prevalent in memes, GIFs, and even emoji representations. This shows how body language and nonverbal cues are an integral part of modern communication, often adding a layer of humor, sarcasm, or subtlety to our daily interactions. Throw a side eye is more than just a phrase. It's a nonverbal expression rich in meaning and emotion. Whether you're watching a movie, engaging in a conversation, or scrolling through social media, understanding this phrase allows you to appreciate the subtleties of communication. We hope this exploration has been insightful and adds a new dimension to your understanding of the English language. Keep learning, and never hesitate to throw a side eye at anything that seems amiss.